How to add tags to your Shopify product page. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you step by step how to do so. So first, you will need to go to products and make sure that each product, or not each, but you have some products that actually do have tags in them. So if you just click on any product, to add tags to them, you simply just open them up and scroll down and you should be able to find this tags section. Now, both of my sample products have tags, as you can see, test, shirts, purple, dummy, and same goes for the other one, just a little different tags. So that's step one. Just make sure your products have some tags in them. Otherwise, it's not really going to show up. Step two is going to be going to your online store and click on Edit Theme. Now, as this loads, just go down to the description and you should be able to find a code that you simply just need to copy and then just follow along and you should be good to go. So we just want to head on over to the default product page. So we can just go ahead and click on any product here or just click on the top, products, default product. Now from here, all we need to do is just find this template section and we want to find product information. We simply just want to click on the arrow next to that. And then we should find details and we should find also add block right underneath details. We want to click on add block and find the custom liquid option. Usually it's not going to show up first, so just click on show all at the bottom. And now you should be able to find it somewhere around here. As you can see, custom liquid. Next up, just go and click on this custom liquid block and paste in the code, which again, you should be able to find in the description. Copy it and paste it right over here. And right away, this is going to work and you should be able to see the tags of your product right away. Now, lastly, what I'm going to be doing is move it downwards so it's going to be beneath the price. So I'm just going to drag it and drop it and underneath the header option, like so. Obviously, you can move it wherever you actually want it to be, but I'm just going to click on save and let's view our store. So it's going to look something like this, as you can see. And if you go to another product, it's going to have completely different tags, depending on the tags that you added to that product. And obviously they are also clickable. So if someone clicks on pants, for example, the tag, they're going to find all the different products with that specific tag. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel and thanks for watching.